How's it going, guys? Dylan from Luxury Lives On, and I hope everyone's doing well today. Now guys, I have some pretty tragic news. Our Bentley GTC's roof has failed again. And I say again because, well, insurance had it covered in the past and it cost $25,000 to fix. Now we seem to be having a mechanical issue again with it, and O'Gara is fixing it. So we're gonna go check out and, well, see how it's going. Cross your fingers. Alright guys, I am outside the O'Gara Service Center right now, and you can immediately see there's basically car porn around me everywhere. That's one of the great parts about this place is, well, you get to see all the cars being repaired, and obviously they're going to be all exotic cars. We'll take a look in a second. But I just want to preface right now that none of this is Bentley's or O'Gara's fault. They've been incredibly nice about fixing this roof. It is such a complicated mechanism and such a difficult thing to make that obviously, well, you're going to have issues, and they've been wonderful along the way. So the car is going to look a little bit different. Just because it's in pieces. Try not to be too shocked. Well, there's the roof already. Unbelievable. So it's really a convertible. It's missing the top. Very, very cool. Wow. This is nuts. Look at all the mechanisms and everything. Alright guys, so this is a bit insane. I'm in front of our Bentley GTC and it's in absolute pieces right now. The crazy thing for me is obviously when you go in these shops and stuff and you see these cars in pieces, you know, you don't really think of them as yours. You just think, oh, it's just another car being repaired here, it's not my problem. Technically it is our problem because obviously this is our car and the roof is on the ground. But I guess we'll take a walk around and I'll show you guys kind of what it is. Just to let you know, obviously this is the third roof. First roof we had an issue that was probably our fault. Then we got our second roof and it had a mechanical closing issue. And then the third roof now that I think they might be sending has a bit of a fabric issue on the interior, and they might need to basically either fix it or use the old roof here. We have a Lambo Urus in the background starting up. This is just absolute car porn here. Guys, so this is where the roof came from. The new roof came in a box signed by Bentley with Bentley tape. And here's some of the pieces left over here. It is completely folded up, which is so crazy. Wow. That's crazy, it's so condensed. That's absolutely nuts. But we're looking forward to seeing the new one on there. But the tricky thing, specifically with the last roof they made here, is it is obviously custom for the car. It's in claret red, which matches the interior. It's kind of a dark maroon basically, but I mean they had to totally get this obviously made from new for us from Bentley, and Bentley's been absolutely wonderful. They did it so quickly. They must have had some sort of sweatshop put it together because I don't know how they got it to us that quickly, but that's basically the roof. This is the underneath of it. It's cashmere lined. It's a wonderful roof, very insulating with the sound, but obviously right now not so much. Now this is part of the roof mechanism that comes up, and this is all the mechanics in here, and oh my god, this is crazy to see our car in pieces like this. I'm honestly like cringing and a little bit scared, but look, you got the seatbelts just hanging off here, all the mechanics in here, and obviously the rear seats have been removed completely. But this is nuts, guys. This is so sad to see. But that's our little baby here. Obviously you have tape here to protect from any scratching. They do a great job here protecting the cars because obviously they have insane stuff sitting around like a Phantom over here. Bentley, 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 Bentley. And then some McLarens and Lambos down there. Speaking of Lambos and McLarens, let's see if I can push my luck and sneak and look at some of these cars here. Oh my god, there's a Chiron. Holy god. I had no idea this was here. This is almost the subject of the video now. Screw our Bentley. Oh my god, basically a giant Bentley. There's a Chiron just sitting here for service. I don't know what it's doing, guys. But this is actually the one that they had in the dealer, so they might be doing some pre-purchase stuff. Potentially maybe it was sold or something like that. But it's a gorgeous spec. Thank God it's missing those stupid, ugly American bumpers. But you have obviously the classic Bentley Chiron look, the double blue, the dark maroon, and then that traditional EB110 baby light blue here with the two-tone interior. Wow. This is very, very blue. I can't believe there's a Chiron here. I'm such a nerd. Jesus Christ. Let's see what else is here. Whew. Nice. Now we're in the McLaren section. Obviously McLaren's new to O'Gara now in San Diego, and some amazing stuff. 2 Urises, one there, one here, 720, which I'm just in love with, by the way, even though it looks like someone took an ice cream scooper to it. And then Huracan, McLaren, and then a old Gallardo Spider as well. But pretty insane stuff. All right, so that was kind of crazy seeing our Bentley just in pieces, but obviously for the better. And it was also kind of crazy seeing the new one in that crate. It's folded up like origami basically, but we're looking forward to seeing the new roof on, roof number 3. And again, big thanks to O'Gara's workshop for letting me film. They've handled this incredibly, and so has Bentley, so all respect to them. And well, thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of nuts. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you want to see more of my content, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.